Saram,
Sairam.
Saram, everyone. Let me just quickly check. So, yeah, Vidya, Chaitanya, Ashish, Tanuj, and Tanvi today. So we don't have Harshit and Nini yet, I guess. All right, let's move on to the first slide. Okay, so we gave a challenge in the morning with respect to the calculator program, I guess, and there was one other challenge by HTML. So we look at that first. Uh, there are around five challenges for tomorrow for those who are into Python. I'll share that with you in a moment. Kodu, I think Tanuj and Naira or Nini should be showing us at least three or four new functionalities. We look at that. I wanted to know the total number of programs which you guys have written in Python, and let's also review HTML. Uh, the Python codes, as I said yesterday, we updated with the Sunday night lecture, and I would like you guys to go through that sometime today, tomorrow, because let there be some continuity, and it actually will build up your knowledge. We'll also have a look at the points table towards the end. All right. So in terms of the calculator program demo, I think let's start off with Vidya. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me just hand over to you. All yours.
Can you see my screen?
Yes. And a request to all of you, just open up your Kodus and whatever code you want to show. We'd have to conclude by 6. Let's be disciplined to start on time and end on time. You can see Abhinav has joined. Saram Abhinav. Saram Nini, you're 3 minutes late.
Sairam.
Nini, can you mute yourself, please?
Okay. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yeah. Yes, Vijay.
Hear me?
Yes, we can.
So this is my calculator.
Mhm.
I programmed it like it. If we enter two numbers, it will just add it. It can't do anything else. I'm going to run it now. Just a minute. This is not running, uncle.
Mm-hmm. Okay, sort that out. I think I'll have someone else.
Can I do it next? Can
Yeah,
I
you
do
can do
it
it.
next? I'll ask my father what's the problem.
No problem. Yeah. Who's ready? Chaitanya. Okay, I'll give it to you. Where are you? Chaitanya, over to you.
Okay, I have done the calculator. So this is the program. This function performs addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So these are the symbols, and the input, as I said before, the input asks for the answer. So this is the program. After this, I press Shift plus Enter, and it's telling Enter operator to use. So
Mm-hmm.
I can select whatever I want. I'll select addition.
Okay.
So enter the first number. Mine is a random number. My second number. So this is some random number. I press on enter, and it shows the 189 plus 5486 is equal to whatever the answer is.
Okay.
So this is the calculator.
Okay. Good. Anything else you want to show?
No.
Good one. Who wants to go next? Can you guys get who's chatting? I can. Naira, you want to show something on? You want to show something on Kodu, right?
I want to show a Hello? Hello?
Yeah, Vidya.
Uncle, when it's working now.
One moment. Okay, Naira, Kodu, you and Tanuj, you guys will do it maybe in few minutes time. Okay, just wait. We'll finish off the Python calculator and then I'll come to you first. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Okay, you are ready. So let me just. Over to you, Vidya.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
I ran the first one, and here it's asking enter a number. So I'm going to enter 9, and it's asking to enter another number. I'm going to enter 5.
Okay.
Then
15. Right.
the answer is 14 is correct, but it came in decimal because here I gave the function as float. The
Okay.
function is float. Float, it always shows in decimal points.
Okay.
It can, and also it can only add because I gave the function only as addition. Then the next one,
Okay.
the function is also float, but it's going to subtract the numbers I enter. So I'm going to run it. It's asking to
Can
enter
you
a
put
number.
10.5? Can you put 10.5?
Okay. Okay.
And yeah. And 4.5. Yeah. Yeah.
Gave 6.0. It also came in decimal numbers because this function is also float. The next one is division, and the function I programmed here is integer.
Interesting. Okay.
So I'm going to run this cell. It's asking to enter a number. So I'm going to enter 6. Enter another number. I'll enter 3.
Mm. Okay.
The answer is in 2.0.
Okay.
This one, the function here is integer and it's going to multiply the numbers.
Mhm.
So I'm going to run it. For first number, I'm going to give as 9. The second number, I'm going to give as 6. The
Okay.
answer is 54. It's going to multiply 9 times 64. 6.
Okay.
9 times 6.
Yeah.
9 times 6.
Great.
This one I'm going to run it. In this cell we can it will ask for operator too. I mean, like if we want addition, we can enter addition. If you want division, subtraction, etc. I'm going to run this. Enter first number. I'm going to enter 97. Enter operator. I want to divide by 3. The quotient is 32. The remainder is 1. I programmed it to show the quotient is etc. and remainder is
That's very nice.
XX.
Excellent.
And I'm going to run it again and I'll show you all the operations.
Okay.
I'm going to add 9 plus 7.
What is that?
I put the space here so it considers it as wrong and it shows me a complaint to your maths teacher that you don't know operators.
But what was wrong in that? I mean, you wanted to add 9 plus 7.
Here I put the space. Wait. See
Oh,
you
you
can
put
see
a
the
space.
space.
Okay.
So I'll run it again. 9. Oops.
Very interesting.
9
Mhm.
plus 9 plus 7. Now the sum is 6. It shows the sum is 16.
Nice. So you've used a if and elif, else if or elif operator there. Okay, excellent. Anything else you
Yeah.
wanted to show, Vidya?
That's it, uncle.
Great. All right. Okay. Anyone who wants to go next, can you please just put your hand up or put yourself in the chat? Anyone who wants to go next? Ashish, I haven't seen you. Abhinav, you want to show something in Python? I don't know what Abhinav, you've downloaded Jupyter and Anaconda.
Hello.
Ashish, yeah.
Hello. Sir, actually, I have it, but I did it with this JavaScript by mistake. I did it with JavaScript.
Can
The
you show us?
calculator. Okay.
You can show us, right?
Like it's not done with Python.
That's okay.
Okay.
Let me do things. Yes, it's very good in one way because we haven't even spoke about JavaScript. So let's have a look. Let's have a look at what Ashish
My
has.
screen is
Not yet.
my screen visible
Not yet. You'll have to show it.
now?
You have to share. Yeah,
Now?
it's coming. It's coming up.
Okay.
It's come. It's come.
So this is the code I've used.
Okay.
So shall I show you the like how to calculate it first, or the program which I used?
Yeah, just run this first. Let's have a look at the
Okay.
output.
Okay. It's here. 1 minute.
Mhm.
Yeah, it's here. I'm just typing a random number.
We can't see you typing anything.
Like I'm clicking it.
Okay.
Oh wait. 5, 8, 6. Yeah. Did you see it?
See, yeah, I think you have to share your entire screen. It's only showing us your HTML, JavaScript coding screen, not the other one,
No, not the main one.
not the main one. Now.
Wait. Wait, stop. Um,
The same share button, you can actually share your entire PC.
it's
All the
coming
screens.
share. It's came that it's sharing.
Okay. Well, let's try.
No.
I haven't yet updated now. Still seeing the coding HTML and
No.
what do you see when you click on the share button?
It's coming that. Wait, it's coming. Your ID is this. The ID came and came. Stop sharing. That's it.
Okay, do one thing. Stop sharing,
Okay.
and once you start sharing, you share. Where and can you share your computer directly? I mean, you'll have different windows, right? You can actually share your computer where we can see all the applications. Or can you see the calculator screen when you click on share? Can you see the calculator screen?
Yeah.
Yeah, click on calculator then.
Yes. I clicked.
Okay, just wait. Yeah,
No. No.
yes, now it's come up. Yeah, go ahead.
Uh,
This looks good. It looks like a calculator. Okay, 65.
uh,
Yes, fine. 92. Wow.
got it. So actually, I need to keep a clear button here, but I couldn't. A clear cell,
Okay,
but I couldn't get it.
good.
Another one. 64 plus 78. So okay.
Lovely.
Now shall I show the coding?
Yeah, go ahead. Vidya, this is in JavaScript. So now again, you have to unshare and share the coding screen, Abhinav, for us to see.
Okay. Stop sharing. Share screen.
When you
Now.
do that, wait, yeah, it's coming up. Yeah, we can see it. Go through.
Yeah. So this is the HTML which you open, the hypertext markup language file, the tag, HTML tag,
Go ahead. Yeah.
and this is the head, and you have the title here, the first calculator
Mm-hmm.
that comes as the web page's name as here, as you can see.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, this goes with the style, like the background color and all. Over here, I've typed BG color, powder blue. I think I didn't just get it. I didn't get it.
Yeah, it looks like the white, right?
Yeah,
Looked
it
white.
came.
Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. So,
And the type which I'm going to use, it's text. So that's why it's text over here. The type.
mm-hmm.
Then then comes the body.
Mm-hmm.
Then you go with the input type that's the text, and it displays a blank box or the text box.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, then I have the break tag which gives spacing between all the keys.
All right.
And then goes the input type, the button which you click over here. It's here. Wait, this is the input type one, the button.
That's okay. Yeah, we can't see the calculator now, but anyway, I think we can look at the. So what I see is input type button. And you're given different values for each of the
Yeah.
button, and on
So
click, you said you're actually calling the function cal dot display value is
value.
plus equal to 9. Yeah.
Yeah. So
All right.
if we click on the button, the value comes as 9. And at the last, to evaluate the answer, I have this. I've given a program called evaluate in the last.
Okay. Right.
Oh yeah.
Where did you define this evaluate?
Here.
Evaluate cal dot display value. Okay. Interesting.
So, sir, actually, I'm sorry I couldn't make it with the Python.
No,
Can
that's
I
okay.
show it in the next class if you don't
You
mind?
can. You can. You can. But have you downloaded Anaconda?
I have it. I have it here.
You have it, right? Okay, that's fine. You can show it tomorrow, no problem. But
Okay.
thank you, Ashish, because I think this might be the next one that all of us will be learning at least the next 3-4 days.
Yeah.
JavaScript. We haven't really talked about it, but yeah, I think that's something which if you look at Vidya's question, she's quickly wanting to know how exactly you've done it. So what might help is, we have a WhatsApp group. Just
Yeah. Yes.
can you just share us a site, a website, which actually gives basic information of what JavaScript is and how exactly we can start off with that. Just give some, you just find out one basic website and then share that so that the rest of them can actually read it at least. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Good job.
And I've just tried this Kodu and I didn't get the perfect.
Kodu, we'll have a look at it maybe later. Don't worry.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, sir. I'm stopping.
That's yeah. Thank you. All right. Okay. Who's next now? Anyone quickly? Tanvi, I don't have it, but I have another program. Okay, Tanvi, you want to show something?
Yes, sir.
I Naira, wait, wait for a moment. I'll give you the chance, Naira. Don't worry. Where are you? Okay.
Okay, sir. Can I show?
Yes, please go ahead.
Okay. So I've done a program to check if the number that you put into the section is odd or even.
Oh,
So what it does first is it reads an input integer using the input and the raw input.
Mhm.
And then when the input is divided by 2, it leaves the remainder as 0,
Mhm.
and which means it's an even number. And when the input is divided by 2 and leaves a remainder which is not 0, it's said to be odd. And when the input is 0, it's even.
Okay.
And the same condition applies to the negative numbers too.
Mhm. Okay.
I can run this and I could put any number I would want to. So say, let's say -8. And it says -8 is an even number. That's
All right. Great. That's good. Good guys. Good to see that you guys are trying different ones. Ashish, you wanted to go next, so I'll give it over to you for a moment.
So can you hear me?
I can hear you.
So I'm sharing my screen.
Yep.
So, so I didn't do it in Jupyter. I did in a different app. It's called Python IDLE.
Okay.
So it's a very basic calculator thing program.
Mhm.
So I'll run it. So I want to divide, so I'm going to put 4.
See, we can't see the other screen. You'll have to unshare and share the entire PC so that we can see that screen. We can see, yeah, this is fine.
So if I just check now, it's only 2 numbers. There are no more than 2. So I programmed it like that. So I'm entering my first number. So then it's asking me the second number.
Mm-hmm.
So here is output. It comes even in decimals.
Okay, we're not able to see the other screen, Ashish.
Oh, I'll do it.
When you run it, I think the other screen is popping up for you, but we are not able to see that. So if you can go back to your share and unshare it, just try to share the other screen, which actually, yeah, show the run screen.
So now you can see it.
Yeah, okay.
So one sheet.
Okay, this is where it's actually running. Okay, so we understood that. That's fine. So what is it that you have used? You use a shell scripting, right? Python 3.8.2 shell scripting, I guess.
Yes, sir.
Which is good. Excellent. Good. Or anything else you want to show?
No, sir.
Great. Good. Good job, Ashish. Okay, so we're done with Vidya, Tanvi, Harshit. Harshit, you're there? Harshit, you're there? Harshit is not able to hear us. Okay, we'll go with Naira, and next is Tanuj. Naira, shall I share the posting to you? One more. Or can you share your screen, Naira?
Yes, I can.
Okay.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can.
Hello?
Yes, we can see your screen.
Okay. So, I need to first minimize the zoom.
Yeah, minimize this one.
Or how can I?
That's the one. You can see the minus button there, right? Just click on that. Yeah, click on that. That's about it.
Um,
There's the Kodu. You're showing us a PowerPoint.
I think you have seen this one.
Why don't you open Kodu and show us? Yeah.
I didn't made anything.
What do you want to show then?
I need to show a slide.
All right. Okay. Where is the slide? Games in Kodu.
I was sure I made one.
Okay. So just do one thing. Why don't you just open up your PowerPoint?
PowerPoint. Okay.
Do you
Let
want
me
to
try.
show something on Kodu? Yeah. Just open any PowerPoint. Open the PowerPoint. Yeah. See. Wait. All right. Let's open. Go to. Yeah. Close
Oh,
that.
yes, I remembered.
Go to File. Alt F.
File.
Alt Alt F. You have Alt button on your laptop.
Alt.
Yeah. Alt and F. F of Freddy. Just press both of them together. Alt F. No, not that one.
Alt 4.
Okay. Do one thing. Just close this. Go to
I
the.
have this
Go,
file.
yeah. Uh, you're saving this. No, all right. Just cancel this. You've got a button cancel, right?
Yes, this one.
Okay. Click on it. We can't open it. It's in documents. All right. Okay. You have to cancel this, Naira.
What?
You have to cancel this. You have the save button, right? Next to the save button, cancel is there, right? Click on cancel. Minimize this. You have the
Minimize?
minus. Yeah, minimize. The minus button on the top, right hand top corner.
Yes.
Minus button. All right. Okay. Now, games in Kodu. Can you open games in Kodu? Oh, yeah. Open that one. This is not the one.
I think you have seen this one.
Okay. So on the left hand top, on the
Hmm.
left hand top, left
Mhm.
hand top, not the right hand top, left hand top. Go
Left.
towards the left hand top. Yeah,
This
left
one.
hand top. No, not that one. That's the right hand top. Go towards the left. Left. Far left. Far
This one?
left. Where
This
is
one.
your, yeah. Just go towards the first one, first button. Yeah, first button. No, not that one. First button.
First button.
Next,
This one.
that's right. Click that. Yeah. Ah, right. Okay. So which one? Games in Kodu? Functions in Kodu.
Yes, I.
Ah, excellent. Okay. Now, if you can play F5
It's lecture. Click on.
from beginning. Yeah. Perfect. That's very nice. Functions in Kodu Game Lab made by Naira. Wow. Go ahead.
Okay.
Design games using the keyboard or Xbox controller. You develop environments, place
Can I
objects.
go ahead?
Yes, please.
Hello.
Yes.
Naira, can you go to the previous slide?
Previous slide. Okay, starting slide. This one.
The second one.
Okay.
Mm.
Um.
Click on from beginning. Yeah. Just go to the next slide. Yeah. Be there. Computer sites, coding games, or non-combat environment simulations, popular with clouds, recent fish that react to what's going on. Excellent. So this is your first PowerPoint presentation, Naira?
Huh?
Is this your first PowerPoint presentation?
First PowerPoint.
Presentation, yeah. Is this your first one you developed?
No, many I have done. I've
Many?
learned how to do it in the school.
All right, excellent. All right, anything else you wanted to show?
No.
All right, great. Who is left? I have Tanuj. You wanted to show something?
Yes.
Okay, 1 minute.
I hang over the host to you.
That's fine. Thank you.
My voice is breaking.
It's okay. We are able to hear you. Don't worry.
Wait, something happened. So here there's shooting their coins to get points, apples to decrease points, and the blip these balls will give you shield, and the missiles will kill you, and space
Oh,
space is space is jumping, and then you can shoot the missiles with WASD.
oh, very interesting. Oh, you're shooting them.
And there are 3 shooting arenas. This is one
Okay.
of them.
Oh, oh, why? Okay.
So with the missiles, I'm able to kill any things that that
Mm-hmm.
come in my way. So now after this is done,
Okay.
I go over here.
Oh, you're going to shoot them as well? Wow.
So the thing I learned here, things shooting at me, I can shoot them.
Interesting.
In here, this is really hard because you have to shoot it like
Oh, you're shooting the clouds. That's new. Oh, so they're
because
totally new
I
features.
WASD.
Mm-hmm.
Now, like I can shoot missiles sideways.
Oh, oh, excellent. Okay. Now you don't reveal your secrets by showing us how to do it. I guess the others will actually try it out and find out this functionality. So very interesting. So you're going to bash into this,
Yeah.
what do you call it? All right. That's very tense. Thanks. Anything else you want to show?
I think I already saw this. So how you did it? How I did the programming? Like this. So the keyboard space jump high, and then so after these are done, I'll finish. The control something happened.
So much of noise, guys. Ashish, Naira, can you mute yourself? Thank you, Ashish. Naira, can you mute yourself, please? Bashing into the football. No, no.
Me?
Wow.
So now here there's a lot of cannons, and I have a health bar, and then there's a loop here, so I put arrows to tell which way to go.
Oh. Wow.
And if I take 7 shots to missiles,
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna by the health bar on the top I can tell. And when I tried this with a lot more cannons, and something happened, and it was saying too much because there are too many missiles.
All right. Excellent, man. Lovely. Thank you so much. I think there are lots of features, new features you have shown. I guess others can actually try it. Just reclaiming. Yeah, good job. Let me just share my screen now. Okay, all right. So we'll had a look at the demos of calculator program, which is good. All right, Harshit, I hear you. Do you want to show something?
Yep, a few jokes.
Your jokes, all right. One moment, you want.
Hello, hello.
Okay.
Hi, Vivek.
Hello.
How are you?
Actually, this guy's been eating my head since morning.
I know.
So I took a lot of time to make this.
Okay, show us.
Just starting my screen.
Check.
Do it fast, man.
Okay, so this is the jokes.
We were waiting for jokes. Yes, go ahead.
So today's been a lot of serious stuff. So here's a few jokes to cheer you up.
Thank you.
First joke. A man goes to the doctor and says, "Doctor, wherever I touch, it hurts." The doctor asks, "What do you mean?" The man says, "Whenever I touch my shoulder, it really hurts. If I touch my knee, ouch. And I touch my forehead, it really, really hurts." The doctor says, "I know what's wrong with you. You've broken your finger." Next one. A and B were having a conversation. A says to B, "B, what is an idiot?" An idiot is a person who tries to explain his ideas in such a strange and long way that the other person who is listening to him can't understand him. Do you understand me? A says. So that I'm not going to explain it.
Good one. Okay.
A teacher says, "Why are you late?" Student says, there was a man who lost $100 bill. teacher says that's nice. Were you helping to look for it? The student told that I was standing on it.
Okay.
Okay, next one.
I mean,
Next. Okay. Oh, A says to B again. Why are all those people running? They're running the race to get a cup. Who will win the cup? With the person who wins. Then why are all the others running?
all right. All for a cup.
Funny.
If big elephants have big trunks, the small elephants have suitcases.
Okay.
Then, wait. Patient says, Doctor, I have a pain in my eye whenever I drink tea. The doctor says, take the spoon out of the mug before you drink. So, you shouldn't do that in real life.
I do that all the time.
Okay.
I know,
Now,
Vivek,
the
you do
head
it all the time. Mm.
and complaints about you, Johnny. From all your teachers, what have you been doing? Nothing, sir, says Johnny. Exactly, you haven't been doing anything. But it's a joke that most of the
He
teachers
didn't do his
do in the class.
He didn't
Be
do his
quiet.
homework. He didn't do
He did not do his homework. He did not complete the assignments given to him.
Okay.
Identify the dog breed.
And now, identify the dog breed.
Come on,
Is
guys.
it an
It's a dog.
a German Shepherd.
Nope, it's not.
husky?
Oh.
Nope.
An Arctic fox is a Tanuj is saying.
Nope. It's not an
German
Arctic fox.
Shepherd. German Shepherd is what Naira is saying.
It's a wolf, I think. It's a wolf, I think.
Is it
wolf.
red?
A
Is it
dog.
red and white?
Siberian
Is it
Husky.
red and white?
Dog.
Is it?
Nope, not a Siberian husky. Not a husky.
Is it?
Is it a
Is
wolf?
it red?
Nope, it's not a wolf. It's
Is
not a
it
German
a
Shepherd.
red?
It's not a German Shepherd.
The color is red and white, right?
A Labrador.
No, it's not. Well, yes, it is red and white. A few
Dog
types of
breed.
it.
It's a dog breed.
Okay, what is it?
Labrador. It's a
Yeah.
Labrador.
No, it's not.
It is a Labrador.
So what is it?
Puppy. It's
It's
a dog.
not. Be quiet.
It's not a dog.
It is a dog. It's not a puppy then. Even though.
So what is it?
Okay,
Goberian.
anybody. Wait, has everybody tried?
Yeah.
Okay, Tanvi thinks it's a Goberian. Nope, it's not. Well, the answer is it's called as a collie. Culli.
Collie. Oh, interesting. Collie.
Collie dog.
Most of you must not have heard this because it's a very rare dog to have and it's very expensive also. But
Okay.
mostly used as a sheepdog.
Sheepdog. Collie. Okay.
Next one. Identify the leopard in this.
It's the second one.
Shut up.
The second one.
First one.
Second
The
one.
first one. The
Second
first one.
Second.
It's
The first one.
The first one. The first one.
It
Second
is.
one.
Who all vote for first?
First one.
Second.
Okay. The guys who said second, you are apparently wrong. It is the first one. This is a leopard. This is a cheetah. That's a common misconception from everybody.
But a leopard is big, not a small.
Leopard has spots. Hello? Hello?
Yeah?
A
Yeah,
cheetah
Vijay.
has spots, but the leopard has like blobs.
Dogs, yeah. Like bacteria.
Okay.
Okay. I'm giving the host to.
You're done?
Wait. Which. There are 3 Ravikant Jagarlapudis in this. Which one should I give to? Wait.
The first one, second one, or third
Okay,
one?
got it. Got it. Who to
And not
give?
even. Okay, you're
Wait.
done. Harshit, anything else?
Nope.
Great. Good job. Good job. Okay, I'm reclaiming the host now. Let me just.
I've made you the host.
Thank you. What do I do now? Go back here. Share my screen here. Okay, what else do we have? Okay, I think we are 6:15, 15 minutes more. All right, okay. Kodu demos are done. Python challenge for tomorrow. I want to show you this. Let me just do that. Okay. Now I'm giving you 5 challenges for tomorrow, and we're going to meet again tomorrow evening 5:30.
Python program.
Python program for simple interest. I'm pretty sure. I think by this time you know what is simple and compound interest is. If not, find out. You got to convert temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit and vice versa using a program. Calculate the square of a given number and create a stopwatch. All of this using Python. Okay. I'll put this maybe in. We can make a note quickly, or I'll put this anyway in the WhatsApp group. So we'll look at those. What I would urge is it's pretty easy if you can go to Google and type it and get the program. Yeah, that's the dumbest thing that anyone can do. But I want you guys to do it on your own. Do it on your own, and that way you learn. We want you to learn, not just to copy paste. All right. Okay. So these are the 5 ones. I'll put it any which ways as I said in WhatsApp group. Let me just go back. I quickly want a count. It can be an approximate count in terms of the total number of programs each one of you have written until today evening.
Wait.
So just give me your chat. Just put a number over there. Naira, I'll come to you. Put a number over there, guys. 10 from Ashish, okay? 10 from Ashish, good. 11 from Tanush, you're writing Python programs?
Wait, I'm just seeing how many I've written.
Okay, Vidya in Python. Yeah, in Python, how many programs approximately have you written until now?
Hello.
Yes, Vidya.
Hello. Uncle,
Yes, Vidya.
I did on the calculator is my first program, but I trained whatever Harisa taught on Udemy. I practiced them.
You practice them, right? Someone is writing 400. Who's it? Chaitanya, 400 programs. 400. Oh my God. Okay.
Okay, in program they mean like a collected like. So
it can be very simple, like print and whatever. A print is considered as one program.
So
Just want to know.
In total, combining all the codes written, I've written around some 340 or 350 like that. I'm not sure.
That is good. All right. Okay. Others, not seen Tanvi writing any number there. Don't see Ashish. Ashish, you've written 10. Vidya, okay, you've told me. That's okay, fine. All right. So continue writing these, right? Tomorrow evening, anyway, I'd like to see these 5. And today, Harshit, 353.
Yeah,
Harshit,
353
you actually
programs.
wanted to.
Looked it up.
We actually did it. Good. Okay, we'll see a demo from you tomorrow. I think first thing tomorrow.
Hello.
Yes, Vidya.
Oh, which one?
Uncle, I just counted the number of programs I practiced. It's around 33.
33, excellent. That's
no, it's
good.
43, around 43.
Good, excellent. Good. Abhinav, I don't see you responding. I think you've used JavaScript. You haven't started with Python. Yeah, that's okay. No problem at all. All right. How about HTML, guys? I gave you 2 free courses on Udemy. You guys, let's go through those. It's just pretty around 1 hour, I guess. Go through those and maybe we can look at least one demo of a web page being created using HTML, right? And I think maybe we'll request Abhinav tomorrow to do, I'll give you a 5-minute slot, Abhinav, if you can show us how to set up JavaScript and run maybe a basic programs. That'll help us solve, okay?
Okay, sir.
We'll start with that. In terms of reading, are you guys reading the books that you promised?
Yep.
Can be honest. Yeah, I would like you guys to at least spend that half an hour a day reading books, guys. And the Udemy Python course, I've seen that none of you have touched it again. I know Vidya just said that she's gone through it, which is good. Affirmative from Harshit, excellent. Let's look at the points table. I think I need to add 2 more names here, which I will do. At this stage, I see that all of you are pretty good in terms of task completion, involvement, and extra mile. For whatever reason, I would like you guys to join early, guys. Join 3-4 minutes early. that will show that you are interested and disciplined as such. Udemy course, I will also include the HTML ones which I have suggested today. So tomorrow, I'd like you guys to at least complete those and try it out. Okay, I'm not going to put points over here, but I'm going to add two more names. I think Ashish's name is there. I need to add whose name is missing over here. Abhinav, right?
Yes,
Let me
sir.
just put in Abhinav's name over there. And to your question, Nini, can you try out the new features which Tanuj has actually shown today?
In Kodu, I have to make code. New features in
In
Kodu.
Kodu, in Kodu, something which Tanuj has demonstrated today. Just try out those and show us a demo tomorrow. Is that okay?
Try.
Yeah, great. All right. So I think that's all I have. These 5 programs I'll copy paste into the WhatsApp chat. So the 7 of you can try it out and show me tomorrow. What else
Hello.
do I have? I think that's about it on my end. Vidya, you have something to say?
I went through the Udemy course and I finished data types, uncle.
Excellent.
I finished the
Okay. So,
data types.
very good. Go ahead. I mean, I would like you guys to, you and others also, to go through it. First thing. Second thing is to try out examples, because today's Tuesday. Maybe on Thursday or Friday, I'll request Kishore sir to actually take the class. So the entire half an hour will be taken. The class will be taken by Kishore sir. So he'll check your programs and maybe try to teach more concepts for you guys. Is that okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I think that's all. That's all we have today. You have some work to do now, and let's meet up sharp 5:30 tomorrow. All right, guys. Saram. Thank you.
Saram, sir.
Saram. Thank you.
Ram, thank you.
Hi Ram, thank you.